everyone, my name is Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning into this video where I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own adjustable bralette for the summer. I've been seeing this style around Instagram and I thought it would be really cute to make one in crochet form, so we are going to give that a try today. If you haven't already, please go ahead and find me on Instagram at Crocheting. You can also find me on Etsy at The Crocheting, as well as on my own personal website, thecrocheting.com. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting off using Paintbox Yarns Simply Aran in the color Paper White, as well as a 3.5mm E crochet hook. And I will link the yarn below, as well as the size modifications, as well as the sizing chart, so you know which amount you're going to be making. We're starting off by chaining 2, and then chaining an additional 2, which will count as our first double crochet. Then you're going to just make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. To start the next round, you're just going to be making another chain 2, which will count as your first double crochet of the round, and then you will turn and make a double crochet in that next stitch from your hook. So we're just going to repeat 2 double crochet stitches per round for a total of 10 rounds. So once you've made your 10 rounds of 2 double crochet, you're going to chain 2 and turn and make an increase in your current stitch as well as in the next stitch from your hook, all double crochets. So you should end the round with a total of 4 double crochets. To start the next round, you'll also chain 2 and you'll also make a double crochet increase in each stitch across. So you've gone from 4 to 8 stitches in this round. You'll repeat this process of making a double crochet increase in each stitch across one more time so that you reach a total of 16 double crochets. In the next round, you'll chain 2 and turn and make a double crochet increase in that very first stitch that you're working on, and then double crochet in the next 3 stitches across. Repeat this pattern of making a double crochet increase and then double crocheting in the next 3 stitches across.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
And we're just going to go from 28 to 24, from 24 to 20, from 20 to 16, 16 down to 8, 8 down to 4, and then 4 down to 2. Wow, did you follow that? It's okay if you didn't, I'll break it down for you right now. Going from 28 to 24 double crochets, you're just going to be making a double crochet decrease followed by 5 regular double crochets across. For the 24 to 20 round, you're going to be making a double crochet decrease followed by 4 regular double crochets and repeating that pattern across. When you get to 20 double crochets, you want to get down to 16, so you'll make 1 double crochet decrease followed by 3 regular double crochets across. Then from 16 down to 8, you'll be double crochet decreasing across the entire round. From 8 to 4, you'll also be double crochet decreasing across the entire round. And then from 4 to 2, it's pretty easy. You're just double crochet decreasing 1 time. All you've got left to make are those 10 rows of 2 double crochet stitches. And since you already made the first one, you only have to make 9 this time. Looks like it's missing something. Oh yeah, time to make the straps. The straps are just going to be chains of 65. You can place them where I'm pointing here, but you'll need 4 in total. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section or on Instagram or email, however you see fit. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm happy to respond as soon as I get them. Thank you for watching. Bye!